Hello students, this is part 2 for equation of line. In first part we learned about the slopes and their related problem. In this particular video we'll going to understand and learn about the equation of line. So basically equation of line can be we have in three different ways. Before that just look at one more problem related to slopes. It says that the three points A, B, C are given to you and you have to find out whether they are collinear points or not. Now, to prove that the points are collinear, we can simply calculate the slope of all the three. Means you can take any 2 points like AB or BC or even AC. If slope of all three will be same, that means all three lie on the same line. Means their slope is same. Because B point is common, so when the line AB and another line BC is extending and both having the same slope, so they are lie on the same line. So slope of AB, we can use the formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Substituting those ordinate values, we can get easily. Answer is 3 by 4. For BC also, substituting the same way, 3 minus 0 upon 2 minus of minus 2, we got 3 by 4. So ABC are collinear points. Now, there are three different ways by which we write the equation. First is the generalized form y equal to mx plus c. It's the most general form we have seen in the last video also. So many equations were given in this form, and then we can say the coefficient of x is slope and constant term is y-intercept. Second is point slope form, wherein one point is given to us or known to us. Let's say that point is p x1 y1 and the slope is m. Then we can frame the equation using this formula which is written here, y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1. So y has to be remain as it is, and x also. Y1 and x1 we substitute the value which is from the point. And the third way of framing the equation is when 2 points are known. Let us say point A is x1 y1 and point B is x2 y2. The slope of AB will be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, which is equal to m. We just came to know about the slope, and then we use the same way as we have learned in the point slope form, y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1. Now the point here is x1 y1, the point, which point should I take, A or B? So it is our own choice. We can take any one of the point, both will give us the same answer, right? So this is the third way of forming the equation of line. So let us see one example of it. We need to find the equation of line through A and B. Point A is 4 comma minus 3 and B is 6 comma 5. Using the same way, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, we get the slope of AB, which comes out to be 4. Then we substitute the equation y minus y1 equal to mx minus x1. Again, the point x1 and y1, we can take any one. It's our choice. तो इसमें हमने कौन सा point ले लिया? We have taken point B. So point B के coordinate जो है 6 and 5, they are x1 and y1 we have taken. So on substituting that in the equation and solving it, 4 into x, 4x, 4 into minus x will give us minus 24, and this minus 5 we have transposed on the other side. So final equation is y equal to 4x minus 19. So this is the simplest form. If 2 points are known to us, how we frame the equation of line. Let's see one more example. In this particular example, it is given that find the equation of a line passing through 4 comma minus 5 and perpendicular to the given line 2x plus 3y equal to 1. Right? So two condition. One is point is given and second is perpendicular to this. So हमको पता है कि equation of line बनाना है, तो what do we need is a point and the slope. Now the point is known 4 comma minus 5, but slope we don't know. But instead of slope, they have given perpendicular to this line. Now if two lines are perpendicular, we can say the slope of a line is negative reciprocal of the other line. So now we know the equation of line which is perpendicular, so we can calculate the slope of this line, which is y equal to minus 2 by 3x plus 1 by 3. So minus 2 by 3 is the slope of a line which is perpendicular. So the equation of line which we wanted, तो उसका slope क्या हो जाएगा? Negative reciprocal of this. So minus 2 by 3 का negative reciprocal will become 3 by 2, and that will be positive because negative reciprocal था. माइनस का साइन हट जाएगा. So slope of the required line is 3/2. Point is 4 and minus 5 is the coordinate of the point. So easily we can apply the same equation, point slope form, y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1. Substitute the value of x1 and y1, which is 4 and minus 5. And instead of m, we can place 3/2 and calculate it. Simple transposing and everything operation. We get the final equation as 2y equal to 3x minus 22. I hope you understood this. See, in every question you have to look at the given. हमको given क्या है और कौन सी condition given है. Using the slopes वाला वीडियो के हिसाब से we can see perpendicular, parallel और equation given है तो उसका we need to frame it into make y as the subject. All those things. So you have to go through the first video also because that is very important. That's very helpful in solving these kind of problems. If you have not seen, so please see that first. Okay, next question says example, find the equation of a line through the point of intersection of the line 2x plus 5y and 5x minus 2y equal to 8. So now यहाँ पर दो lines दिए हैं और इनका point of intersection will be the point from where the line is passing. First condition is this and perpendicular to the given line 4x plus 3y और इस line के perpendicular है. So now we don't have point, we don't have slope. दोनों के लिए they have given two separate conditions. तो हमको दोनों को solve करना है एक एक करके. So first we'll see जो हमको equation of line दी है जिसे हम slope निकाल सकते हैं because perpendicular line is given 4x plus 3y equal to 7. तो पहले इस line का slope निकालते हैं. Make y as the subject, we get minus 4 by 3x plus 7 by 3. So minus 4 by 3x is the slope of a line which is perpendicular to our required line. So हमारी line का slope क्या हो जाएगा? Negative reciprocal of minus 4 by 3 which comes out to be 3 by 4. तो ये हमको हमारी line का slope मिल गया. Now we need one point जहां से हमारी लाइन पास होने वाली है. Now वो पॉइंट नहीं दिया है, instead they have given two equations of line which are intersecting at that point. तो हमको ये दो इक्वेशन को simultaneous equation के हिसाब से solve करना पड़ेगा using any method which you learned in ninth standard, elimination method or substitution method and all. So solving these two quadratic equation, simultaneous equation, what we have done is y का coefficient equate कर दिया and for that we multiplied equation by 2 and one equation by 5. We got plus 10y and minus 10y वो cut हो गए. 29x equal to 58, so x equal to 2. Once we got the value of x equal to 2, we substituted in the equation. We got y value as equal to 1. Now we have point 2 comma 1. We have slope 3 by 4. Substitute in the फॉर्मूला y माइनस y1 इक्वल टू m x माइनस x1. उसमें डाला हमको इक्वेशन मिल गया 4y इक्वल टू 3x माइनस 2. सो इन दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन आल्सो इफ यू सी कंडीशंस गिवन थी हमको दो. लास्ट में हमको वही फॉर्मूला जो हमको इक्वेशन है y माइनस y1 इक्वल टू, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इक्वेशन. उससे ही हमको इक्वेशन बनाना है. ओनली थिंग इज कि पॉइंट चाहिए, स्लोप चाहिए. या तो डायरेक्टली गिवन होगा नहीं तो इनडायरेक्टली, जैसे इसमें दोनों के लिए अलग अलग कंडीशन गिवन था. Let's see one more problem. In this question, it says find the equation of line passing through the point 3, 2. Okay, एक point मिल गया हमको and its x intercept is double of y intercept. Now condition क्या हो गई? x intercept double है y intercept के. अब y intercept अगर हमने assume किया कि that is b, तो coordinate क्या होंगे? Because it's y intercept, so it is on y-axis, so hence इसका x coordinate abscissa 0 हो जाएगा. So b के हमारे coordinate होगा 0, b. x के coordinate क्या होंगे? Because it is given in the question that x intercept is double of y, उसका double है, तो x intercept क्या हो जाएगा? उसका coordinate क्या होंगे x intercept के? Generally we take, because it's on x-axis, so we take x, 0. But यहाँ पर given condition है कि वो double है y से, so it will be 2b, 0. राइट, यहाँ पर b लिया, a भी ले सकते हो, इट्स योर चॉइस. So slope will be I2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, so it will be 0 minus b upon 2b minus 0. So slope comes out to be minus 1 by 2. Slope मिल गया हमको minus 1 by 2. Point हमको मालूम है, we can substitute and we can get the final answer. which is x plus 2y equal to 7 is the required equation. तो यहाँ पर देखो y भी हम रख सकते हैं, x और y को एक तरफ भी रख सकते हैं. Both ways we can write down the final equation. So it's no fixed formula for it. All right, so let's see one more question and one more problem here. In this question, it says a line AB meet x-axis at A and y-axis at B. Point P is 4, -1. Divide AB in the ratio 1:2. अब m/n का रेशियो दिया है 1:2. पॉइंट बीच में दिया है 4, -1. वी डोंट हैव द कोऑर्डिनेट्स, तो हमको ना ही A पता है ना ही B पता है. Only these information is there with us. So we can use the section formula for calculating A or B. So let's see. As the x coordinate is x, so we applied m by x2 plus n x1 upon m plus n. Section formula जो हमने सीखा था, that is what we have learned. So we substitute that. उससे हमको x का वैल्यू आया 6 एंड y कोऑर्डिनेट हमने p का इक्वेट किया तो y का वैल्यू आया -3. तो हमारा a जो पॉइंट है दैट बिकम्स 6, 0 and b point becomes 0, -3. So slope of AB is, we have now 2 points. So 2 point slope form simple we can calculate. So slope हमको मिल गया 3 - 0 upon 0 - 6, so which is 1/2. अब इन दोनों में से कोई भी हम पॉइंट ले सकते हैं टू फ्रेम द इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन व्हिच बिकम्स टू बी y - 0 equal to 1/2 x - 6. So 2 cross multiply was, so final equation we got is y equal to 1/2 x minus 3. So here the coefficient of x is 1/2, so our slope is 1/2. Now finally what we had to find out is the equation which is perpendicular. So slope of the line which we need will be negative reciprocal of 1/2, which is -2, and which passes through point P also. So P के coordinate तो already we know that it is 4, -1. So point मालूम है 4, -1. Slope हमको पता चल गई -2. Applied directly same formula, y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1, and we get final answer as y equal to -2x plus 7. So I hope you understood this. Different ways of problems you will face, but finally you have to use that particular formulas for finding slope, perpendicular, parallel cases, and y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1 is the final equation in which we substitute and find out the equation of line. Thank you very much. Hope you liked this video.